Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I have an unboxing review of the Teardown case by dbrand. Let's do it. Okay, this is the current case for my Samsung Galaxy S21. It's by Caseology, and I really like it. I think it looks great, but my main issue is it smudges very easily. Like, take a look. Say it's a fingerprint magnet. It's easy to get smudge, and so I thought I would just try a different case. So this is a dbrand case. So let's unbox it. Take a look. Packaging is kind of cool. I mean, look at that. It's neat. So it comes with a microfiber cloth. This is the Teardown Skin. We'll get down a little bit, and this is the case. Alright, so yeah, it's called a dbrand grip case, and yeah, it feels nice and grippy. It doesn't pick up any smudges. So let's remove this. Remove this case, and we'll plug this case in here. There we go. So you notice the raised lip here on either side. So offers protection. You put it down, offers screens to protect the screen, and you notice it also now is level. So when you put it down, it gets rid of the camera bump. Put it down, it's totally flat. Yeah. Only thing negative about it is the looks. It's kind of plain. I mean, it's plain looking, you know, compared to the Caseology. This is definitely doesn't look as good, and that is why we have this, the Teardown vinyl. And this is a skin that you can put onto the case and the camera area to make it look like, well, I removed the back casing of the Galaxy and you can see the inside. So let's do that now. The first thing we're going to do is use the microfiber cloth and wipe down the camera area. Okay, let's get it clean, remove the dust, and then we're going to install the camera module first. So we tear that off, just take it out very delicately, do not pull it, and then we just overlap it a little bit like so. Put it back onto the skin, and then we use that to line it up and put it on. There you go. And then peel it off, and bingo, looks perfect. First try, ha ha ha. Now we'll bring in the case. We'll put this into the case here. Good. Now, like that. Then what we're gonna do is we are going to peel this off here. And then we're going to arrange it like so, and then again just use that to line it up. Okay, that looks good. And then you can remove this. And once we remove it, now we can just spread it out. Look at that. That is awesome. I love it. So this is the dbrand teardown case. Yeah, I like it. And once you add in the vinyl backing, it gives it more grip. The non-backing is a little more slippery, so now it's nice. Yeah, this is nice to be on my hand. And these sides here, I feel a nice raised rough pattern to it, so also helps with the grip as well. The buttons are working fine. The button has a good click to it. Yeah. And I like this grip. Definitely way less slippery than this. This is pretty slippery, and it's also a smudge magnet, but it's good looking. But yeah, I would say this is way better looking if you don't have the teardown vinyl. But you can get the case. They just called it dbrand grip case. You can get the case without any backing at all. It's I think $25 or something. And the skin, you don't have to get this skin. They make other skins for you. You got carbon fiber pattern, any type of different patterns, wood, metal, whatever you want. I went with the teardown because I think it looks kind of cool. I mean, it looks like I have a naked phone or a teardown phone. Yeah. But together, this case with the teardown vinyl is $45, and link to get this product is below this video. So it's more expensive than the Caseology case, but with the teardown, I think it looks cooler. It looks cooler, and it's definitely more grippy. Definitely more grippy than this. Plus, it's not a smudge magnet, so that's good too. All right. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and review of the dbrand teardown case. What's with the name dbrand? I really don't get it. I mean, from a marketing standpoint, it makes no sense. Why do you give yourself a letter D? I mean, it's the A team, not the D team. I mean, when I see D, I think of failure. I think of dunce, D-list Quentin Tarantino character. Oh well, dbrand, not A brand, dbrand. John Chow from johnchow.com. If you like this review, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.